Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another phone theme video and I'm so excited. It's a really loud, out there type of theme and my phone case says it all. It's super glittery, so it's a very extra phone theme. It is for February and it's a Valentine's Day theme. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and I hope you guys like. If you guys do, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's just get this video started. Okay, so let's get in with this theme. This is the title of what the theme is called, as well as the creator of this epic theme. This is the preview of the theme. It does include always on display and just a bunch of craziness. This theme also includes sounds for alarm and ringtone, and here they are. Now, this is how the theme looks like on my phone. Look at that phone theme. It just screams Valentine's Day. It's so colorful and cute. It includes rainbows, which I love, a castle, like a sugar fairyland, and it has the most cutest little bear holding a heart, and the icons are so cute and colorful, and I really love them. So they have hearts and love and just a lot of cuteness overload is going on. The icons on my main screen have little hearts around them, which is so darling, and it's super pink everywhere. As you guys could see, this is a magical land, and this is how the drop-down looks like. It's just blue with pink, and it's very fitting for the theme. Now let's go to phone. This is how it looks like when you're making a call. Oh my goodness, we have the cutest little bears right there in a heart with like a rainbow and lace at the top and little hearts at the corner. We still have the rainbow and the castle in the sugar plum fairyland. We have just so much color going on. It's amazing, and this is how it looks like when I type to make a call. And now if I swipe up, I can show you guys the calculator. It looks like this, just hot pink, light pink, and that pretty blue color. Now it also has a super cute clock. So these are my alarms in this sugar plum fairyland castle. Look at all of that colorfulness and rainbow and that little heart in the corner. There's also little hearts in the bottom if you guys notice. There's 3 little hearts for my home back button. And now for my calendar. Look at how adorable this is. I'm literally crying. This is 2 little love bears again with hearts and then like a polka dot background. And this makes my calendar look so happy and super cute. Now for my messaging, this is how it looks like, super rainbowed out. The top part where the contact is like a rainbow lines, and then there's the sugar plum fairyland, and the messaging is pink with a little blue heart for the image. And then the keyboard looks like this. It's super cute and colorful for this theme. Yellow, pink, and blue. And then when you type, you guys saw it's a purple color. So that is adorable. I really enjoy this keyboard. Now for the lock screen, this is what the lock screen looks like. Yes, it is animated, and I couldn't be happier because the little bears are winking. Yes, they are opening and closing their eyes, and they just look adorable. There's hearts surrounding them, and I really enjoy how they're like floating. And the background for this image is so cute. It's the castle with the rainbow and the sugar plum fairyland. I like how the time looks like. It's like pink with like blue, and I really enjoy this image for the lock screen. I hope you guys like this theme and like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!